Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be playing around with something that I received for my birthday. So my boyfriend, along with a bunch of other things, got me this guy right here. So this is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Mad for Matte Jewel Pop eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be playing around with this today, creating obviously a bold, colorful look. If you guys like colorful, bold looks, then definitely give the video a thumbs up. I do appreciate those thumbs up because that helps me reach more people on YouTube land. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get started with playing with these eyeshadows. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer so you can actually see what I'm doing. I already have my lids primed. What I use to prime my lids today is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm gonna go into this green shade first. I don't know why, but it's calling to me, and I'm going to start with a MAC 224 brush, a nice fluffy blending brush. Right, there is a little bit of kickback in this palette. Some of the green got into that blue. Blowing that off, tapping off the excess. The brush is coated. So I'm going to, let's just place this color right on the outer. Ooh, okay. There's pigment. There's definitely pigment in at least the green at least. Let me get my smaller handheld mirror out. I don't know exactly what I'm doing with this look. I'm just kind of like going with the flow, seeing what direction these colors take me, and hopefully it, you know, turns out pretty decent. I'm gonna go into this orange color next, and I'm going to put that in the inner portion of my crease area. And I'm just gonna use the same brush. I cleaned it off a little bit, and I'm gonna go into this orange shade right here. This color isn't showing up. Well, no, it actually is showing up. Okay, just gotta build it up a little bit. Okay, so this color, so far all of the colors are definitely pretty pigmented. So I'm really impressed considering that this is just like a, you know, a $10 palette, an e.l.f. palette, and I don't think I've ever used e.l.f. Eyeshadow palettes in general. If you guys want to see a full face of e.l.f., because I have been thinking about that lately because I have been looking on their website a lot recently, like, okay, should I do a full face of e.l.f.? Definitely leave that in the comments below if you guys would like to see that. Let me know. So now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go into this purple shade right here, the deeper of the two purple shades right here. So like this purple shade right here. I don't know why I repeated that so many times, but you guys see what I'm doing, this shade. And this brush is a MAC 217 brush, and I'm taking it right on the tip. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this color like right on my socket. I want to make sure that color shows up between the warmth of the orange and then also the neutralness of the green. Alright guys, so this is where we're at right now with this look. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do next. And I'm not sure if it's going in a good direction. So again, we're just going to keep going. We are just playing. Let me go ahead and take a sip of my drink real quick. This, by the way, I don't know if you guys have tried this before, but this is almond milk, unsweetened almond milk with coconut vanilla creamer. Best thing ever. Like, the best thing ever. You guys should try it if you haven't. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my other eye off camera, and I also went ahead and laid down my concealer to do like a halo eye sort of situation because I decided that's where this is going today. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pick a color that I'm going to put as the star of the show in the center. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do the blue. Like I said, so far all of these colors that are in this palette are like really pigmented. I'm really impressed with the formulation that e.l.f. has. So far, everything's blending out really easily. They're very nicely opaque. All the colors seem to be able to be built up. This blue shade is literally the only one that's giving me any fallout issues. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished the other eye off of camera. All that's left is literally to put lashes on to complete the look. But I love how this turned out so far, so let's go ahead and do it on the other side as well. Now I'm going to take that same purple that I used earlier, and I'm going to use a MAC 217 brush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the purple and I'm going to blend it into the outer portion of that blue, and also I'm going to take it to blend the inner portion as well to create that halo effect. Alright, using the same blending brush, now I'm going to go into the black shade right here. Like I said, I'm definitely going to use as many colors in this palette as I can. So going into the black shade, I'm going to go in those exact same spots, but I'm just going to focus them a little bit lower than the actual purple. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm going to be using, of course, my RK by Kiss 24-hour eye define eyeliner in black. Literally the only eyeliner that I use, only black eyeliner, I should say, that I use in my waterline / lower lash line. Alright, so now that that color is down, I'm going to go into this purple shade right here, and I'm going to smudge that along the lower lash line, keeping it really, really close. And then finally, taking this shade right here, this kind of like mauve-y maroony type of shade, doing the exact same thing. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I went ahead, of course, and put lashes on off of camera, and I also put a lip on as well. Of course, you guys know that the lashes are the Ardell Filmique Wispies, the ones that I always use and the ones that I forever will use until I find a pair of lashes that another pair of lashes that I like. So if you guys have lash suggestions, definitely leave them down below. And also the lip, I really like this lip. This lip is really comfortable. What it is, it's from the brand The Lip Bar, and I believe The Lip Bar is a black owned brand that's sold at Target. I don't know exactly how much this costs, but this is the purple shade in Crown Me. It's really comfortable. It went on really smooth. It's really like a really light liquid formula that goes on the lips really easily, and it's really comfortable, and it's a really nice matte liquid lipstick, so I definitely encourage you guys to try it. But as far as the eyeshadow palette goes, the eyeshadow palette is actually really good. The only color that gave me a little bit of issue was the blue shade right here, and I'm thinking that's because of the base that I use. Again, I use concealer as a base whenever I do my cut creases. I will continue to, of course, play with this palette a little bit more. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this nice colorful tutorial. If you guys want to see more tutorials, definitely let me know in the comments below. Again, also don't forget this video a thumbs up. The thumbs up really helps me reach more people to see my videos, and also don't forget to share with your friends as well. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed. I upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday every single week. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys later in the next one.